Yo, what's up, everybody? You're tuning in again. Gonna be going through this interior now. Gonna be cleaning it off, be wiping everything down, get all that dust off, all that whatever is in here. Um, but before I use the bucket and some soapy water and whatnot, I'm gonna blow it off with the air compressor, and this is gonna help not get my water so quickly full of dirt and muddy and murky and all that. So, it's just about how you care for these cars, how willing you go into take care of it. So if you guys want to come along, I'm just gonna be blowing out some stuff. And to be quite truthful, um, I've already done it, but I just want to bring you guys along for the trip. You guys want to see more of this video, you guys want to see more of this car. Just stay tuned. If you guys hear the air compressor, if you guys can't hear me talking, I apologize. There's a couple of places that I haven't got yet. I can hear. I make sure I get underneath my door sills because a lot of dirt that gets trapped in there and whatnot. Might help if I turned it on. I was like, I know I had pressure, man. What the fuck? That's what happens. Do the other side. As you guys know, I'm the only one that works behind the camera. I don't have nobody helping me, so a lot of my videos, most of my videos, it's just a one-man team. All that crap. I'm gonna let that build some pressure up. This video is going to be quite a bit long, guys, so if you're interested, if you want to watch me work on this car, just keep watching. If not, then just wait for the next one, I guess. Quite a bit of work still I need to do. What I got planned for next for this, do an oil change. Then I got to wash that cooler now. I got to do a cooling flush. Coolant's pretty murky, man. Rusty color. And that's how that was. But I ran 2 bottles of that Prestone flush cleaner, and yeah, it cleaned it up. I'm not gonna lie, that could probably use one more good flush and it'll be set. But this one is dirty. Now earlier, I took off this air filter box and I got my can of MAP sensor cleaner. When you guys go do these jobs, don't, make sure you get the right shit for what you're doing, Don't use carburetor cleaner for for cleaning your map sensor. You just ruin it. It's gonna cost you money. And I don't need to tell you guys that. Anyways, I used some of this and I cleaned the map sensor out. I lifted up the air box and sprayed it in there. Just basically, I don't know the history of this car. I don't know how well it's been maintained, but from the looks of it, it really hasn't been maintained all that great. But fortunately, I had this one for quite a few years, and this engine is clean, it's healthy. Take care of it. You take care of your shit. It lasts you a long time. You know what the fuck you're doing. But yeah, I plan to have this one just like that. These 4.6s are very, very reliable engines if you take care of it. Yeah, I used some of this right there. Clean that up. See if this got some pressure to it. Should now. Oh man. All these screws and bobby pins. I'll put that in my pocket. And make sure I don't poke myself in when I sit down. I know this glove box is dirty. I'm gonna blow that out. I plan to replace those, get some 03, 04s, like in mine. But yeah, those door sills. You know what? I got a video coming up for that. That just happened with that door handle. I'm not gonna spoil shit, but yeah, that's what I hate about that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the door sills and put the 03, 04 up door sills. Lot of plans. But alright guys, I just wanna let you guys know the interior process has begun. I'm gonna hold off on the carpet just yet. I know it needs a good shampooing, but I'm not worried about that right now. But we're 10 minutes into this, so hope you guys are enjoying it. Now the Signature Tourings, everybody knows it has the perforated seats and it has the black trimming. It has dual exhausts. and has the same horsepower as the Cartier, 220 horsepower. I mean, that ain't shit. You know, that's that's nothing. But for its time, you know, for this big ass boat to have dual exhaust, I mean, yeah, you get a little more get up, but you ain't gonna be doing no crazy speeds. No, the only option this car is missing from being fully loaded is the factory cell phone. Yeah. Well, yesterday I did a real good thorough washing. Um, Washed it twice, hit a lot of scuff marks, and just there's a lot of scuff marks. I still need a clay bar this whole body. Yesterday, well, you guys, when I got the car, I'm sure you guys noticed that there was like a rubber gasket that goes around this trunk. Well, it had it, but this piece of the gasket was popped up, so I didn't like it, and I couldn't fix it. So I took this trunk piece off, and I took off that gasket, and it looks quite clean, you know. I cleaned behind it. I took it off because I wanted to clean behind it because I knew I was going to take that gasket off. So I still got to try to take this off. Brown dealership, probably named Brown. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue what I was doing. It's already 12 minutes into this motherfucker. But if you guys like it, give me that thumbs up. Let me know you guys like this shit, and you want to see more. That lets me know you want to see more. The more likes I get, lets me know I'm doing my thing. But you guys stay blessed, man, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.